Okay, guys, for the next set of questions, we're gonna answer yes, I did, no, I didn't. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin, guys. Did you play outside yesterday? Did you play outside yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you eat breakfast this morning? Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did.
Did you drink milk this morning? Did you drink milk this morning?
Yes, I did.
Did you watch TV last night? Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I did.
Did you visit your grandparents last week? Did you visit your grandparents last week?
No, I didn't.
Did you do your homework yesterday? Did you do your homework yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you have a birthday party last year? Did you have a birthday party last year?
Yes, I did.
Did you read a book last night? Did you read a book last night?
Yes, I did.
Did you go shopping last week? Did you go shopping last week?
Yes, I did.
Did you go to a festival last year? Did you go to a festival last year?
No, I didn't.
Good job. Very good. Very good.